Once again, we're rolling with shitty weather in Perth. I've got a coffee with me because you guys are like, oh, look at the size of that jug. That's the jug, alright. I am in my hoodie, I am comfy, and we're going to do another makeup tutorial. So let's just get into the video. It's raining again, yay. To prime, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay 24 hour. I'm pretty sure that's right. It's just 20 Superstay. Ooh, look at you guys. Oh, that's very runny. Maybe I need to shake it a bit more. It's not white. It's got a bit of a tint to it. It's just started raining, and luckily I've got washing outside, and luckily it tipped over because I wouldn't have checked it, and my washing was just on the floor, and it's just started raining, so I managed to get it in like the nick of time. I don't know how I feel about this primer. I don't know, I'm so skeptical. If you watch my video that I've just uploaded, you will see that I am a bit skeptical with different primers. What does it say? Like, yeah, let's just put it on our skin. And Superstay Makeup Extending Primer, fresh and flawless all day long. Well, it is currently 1:30 all day long. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably just gonna put this on and then take it off. Now I could use the Superstay foundation. It's very bright, sorry. Or I could use, I really wanted to use the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation. So I'm gonna use that. Now I hope I got porcelain, which is quite light, so once again it's like another moussey sort. Oh, I hope that's my colour. Now I'm not sure how I like my new microphone. I think I'm gonna go get a new one because I don't like this one. I can't talk in new makeup, it's really weird. Whoa, that's definitely super coverage. Is that my shade? Oh. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about this. If you guys like start listening to my videos, there's like a little sort of sound, if that makes sense. It's not exactly like that, but it makes a funny sound. And this foundation is very, very light. Whoa, I look like I definitely think I should have gone a shade. Oh my god, this is way too light. Okay, just bear with me, guys. I will fix this. The Revlon one, because I know that's my shade. And just, oh, that's a lot. No! Oh, I just dropped it on myself. We're off to a great start. Once again, I don't have any tissues. I'm going to be applying a little bronzer because I'm very white. For eyebrows, I'm going to be actually trying out this ModelCo. I saw it in Woolies and I was like, I'm going to give that a shot. It sort of reminds me, it's a brow pencil. It sort of reminds me of, it reminds me of the one I already use, which is like the one where I get my eyebrows threaded, and like the Rimmel Brow This Way. So I was like, let's try it out. Notice I've zoomed you guys in a little bit more. I'm not sure how it will be when I edited it, but yeah, like I said, the first video was just like trial and error. This is going to make my eyebrows really warm. Wow, this is actually going to make them really warm. We're not off to a great start. And I'm going to use the Rimmel Brow This Way in medium brown because my eyebrows are looking fiercely blonde and warm and everything like that. Now I got this ChiChi Fashionista palette, which I have not used. My friend Gemma got it for me for Christmas. That's how long I haven't played with makeup properly. I don't know if the colours are showing. This one's very yellow, but it's not. But anyway, I'm excited to play around with this. Of course I'm really liking this colour. So I'm going to take this colour here on my crease, and I'm slowly going to work around to this one, and then this one. So we're just going to speed through the process, but if I don't tell you the colours, I'm just going through that transition if I forget. I love ChiChi eyeshadows, they're very pigmented, so.
We wanted to run, we wanted to fall together. Back then our world seemed so clear. We grew so bright, shimmering lights around us. We'd take flight into the sky. How many worlds would you cross to use the light that's right in front?
I'm then going to take this colour on my lid. I'm going for a matte look today. Ooh. I'm going to leave the eyes alone for now and do my concealer. Trust me, Maybelline Fit Me in Light. Now that I don't want to look scary anymore, I'm going to curl my lashes and use Maybelline Total Temptation. I quite like this mascara that I used in my last tutorial, so we're going to roll with it. Right, I have a new Australis Fresh and Flawless in Nude. And I'm going to use that. Oh, is that a bit too light? Definitely gonna have to use a lot of bronzer. I'm still obsessing over this Maybelline DreamSun in 3 Bronze Soleil and Ombre. I'm still obsessing over it. It still smells beautiful. So, I'm going to use that. I just want to contour a bit, and I'm just going to take this Revlon Chloe Morello Sculpt and Highlight Kit. For blush, I'm going to take the Loreal Life's a Peach again because I really liked the way it finished on my skin yesterday. My skin needs some saving, so I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill and Becca collection, and I'm going to take probably Champagne Pop. And I'm just going to put it everywhere because I'm just trying to hide the fact that I'm so pale. I would never usually put this much highlight on, but I need some help. Yay, I look a bit more alive. I look like a tin man. I'm going to set my face with what I have, the NYX Matte Finish that's in front of me. So, we're going really nude. I'm going to be daring and try and do a really overdraw my lips. Let's do this. And I'm going to be using the NYX lip liner in Natural. Overline lips. I'm probably not going to like it because I suck at this. I look ridiculous, you should sue. Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Matte Ink in Loyalist. Okay everyone, so that concludes this makeup tutorial. Choking on my spit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And what else do I have to say? Except I hope you like this look. It's very different. I hope I haven't done something like this. Who knows? But yes, leave me a comment if you want what other videos you'd like to see me do. Now that I'm sort of back filming. Yay! Thumbs up. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!
You will see.